Armed with only a few pamphlets, couple of business cards, microphone, my trusty visor cam, we are going to go out today into the streets. So the plan is to confront random strangers and asking them if they got any broken jewelry on their person. And if they do, we are going to try and convince them to give it to me so I can repair it. So the whole thing behind it, I will then do that repair for free. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to actually tell them ahead of time or not. I'll probably have to, because it's going to be a little bit weird if I just walk up to a random stranger and ask them for their broken jewelry. They might think it's a robbery. So this could go either very good or very bad. Let's get out there. Don't know what to expect. Don't know if the people would be quite open to the idea or be a little bit closed off. It will be interesting though. Might actually be a bit early. We go target that lady. Yeah, why not? Excuse me. Good morning. May I wonder if I can interrupt you for a second? My name is Jan. I'm a jeweler.
Oh, yes, okay.
And I'm making a YouTube video where I'm trying to talk to random strangers and see see if they have any broken jewelry on their person.
Oh, no.
Nothing.
Why would we carry broken jewelry?
Well,
that's going to be a tough call. You're going to find that hard.
Well, no, I've actually realized a lot of people walk around with broken jewelry in their handbags.
Next time they're at the shop, take
That's
it
it.
in.
That's it. So,
They might, and if they have, you fix it for free.
100%.
Oh my God! Damn it.
But then, yeah. I'm just in the back there. My studio's in the back here. So have a good day. Thanks for stopping.
Bring our stuff in tomorrow.
Oh no. See you later. Bye. Good morning. May I interrupt you ladies for a second? My name is Jan and I am a jeweler and I'm making a YouTube video going around speaking to random people, seeing if they got any broken jewelry on their person. And if you do, I might grab that and repair it for free. Oh yeah? Fair enough. So I was just going around seeing if got any. A lot of people walk around with broken jewelry. Next time they're at the shops, they want to take it in and have it repaired. So I'm just going around asking random strangers. So nothing.
No, sorry.
Not a problem at all. Thank you very much. You have a lovely day.
Is it got to be gold or silver?
Doesn't matter. It can even be costume jewelry. You know, so I'm just in the back there behind this complex here in the back section. My studio is there, so if you ever want to pop in, you're welcome to.
When you say costume jewellery, I've got a chain at home, but it's not pure gold, and I've got the donkey's.
Yeah.
Will I get anything for that?
I doubt it, because there's no monetary value in costume jewelry for resale purposes.
So what do you want it for?
So I want to repair it.
Oh, okay.
So if any broken jewelry, because a lot of people don't want to have it repaired right now, or it costs too expensive. So I'm just trying to repair broken jewelry out there.
I understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Not a problem at all. Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Don't think I should go into the mall. Perhaps what I should do is go to the other side, other entrance. That might be a better idea. Morning, ma'am. May I disturb you for 2 seconds? My name is Jan. I'm the chunky jeweler. Right.
Like are we lots of jewelers?
Well, I was wondering if you've got any broken jewelry on you. Because the whole point of I'm making a YouTube video where I'm.
Oh, cool. They're cool.
talking
You
to
know
random.
what little jewellery I had got stolen in a burglary and it was all irreplaceable.
That's always the story, but yeah, any broken jewelry.
Oh, you know, I know a lady in a rest home. I'll get her to put it in there.
Oh, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Bye. Good morning, ma'am. So can I save 2 seconds of your time?
Not really.
I'm just quick. My name is Jan. I'm the chunky jeweler.
Okay.
And I make YouTube videos, and I'm asking people if they've got any broken jewelry on their person that they'd like to have repaired for free.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not sure if you have anything on your person.
Don't actually, I'm sorry. I've just had my rings repaired.
Ah, okay. Not a problem. Next time.
Sorry, should I hold on to
Yeah, you can keep
Okay.
that. Thank you. Bye. So what I'll do, I might try and ambush one more person. That sounds wrong. But if I can't make a deal, then I'll go back to the drawing board and try it again tomorrow. Maybe later in the day. Definitely think the other entrance of the mall is a better option. There's more people. But it does feel a bit dingy standing in an undercover car park asking people for their broken jewelry. I see an unsuspecting couple across the road. Might ambush them. Whoa. Last pamphlet. Good morning. May I interrupt you for 2 seconds, please? My name is Jan. I'm the chunky jeweler. There's my pamphlet.
Oh, right.
I'm actually just up the road here.
Right.
I'm busy making YouTube videos asking random strangers if they got any broken jewelry on their person, like in their handbag, in their wallet, or anything that they'd like to have repaired. And I'll do that for free.
Oh, right. I haven't even got my earrings on.
Not a problem at all. I just thought I'll ask, and if you had any, I would have repaired it for free.
Okay.
But I might see you again walking up down the street, and next time carrying broken jewelry.
So do you sell jewellery?
I sell jewelry, I manufacture, I repair everything. I'm just up the road here in the back there. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I might have to pop in.
I do
what?
and I do watch batteries for $15, fitted while you wait, and all that sort of quality stuff.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. I
Okay.
appreciate
Nice
it.
to meet you, Jan.
And you too.
Welcome
Thank
to
you.
the neighbourhood.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You have a lovely day. Bye. So that didn't go exactly as planned. But it could have gone a whole lot worse. So what I'll do, I will take today's experience and analyze it and see what I can do different tomorrow, until we get someone that's got some broken jewelry on their person. I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult. So if you're in the Charterwell area and you happen to stumble across this video, bring your broken jewelry with you, because you might walk into me, the chunky jeweler, and I might be able to do your jewelry repairs for free. So share to like-minded friends, like, follow, subscribe to all that lovely stuff. We'll catch you again tomorrow. You're a gem.